Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you hate traveling with a million wires, then you're gonna love this portable 3-in-1 charging pad from InfinaCore.
I don't know if you've noticed, but wireless charging still requires a lot of wires, but that is not the case with this charging pad. One wire connects it to your power, and you can charge three devices at once. I absolutely love the design of this. You can use it flat and charge three devices, or you can put it in this triangle position and charge your watch and your phone at the same time. This is my favorite way to use this because I can still watch something on my phone or use it in standby mode as a clock on the side of my bed, and it works perfectly. I love that it has these lights so you can see when things are charging, but they are also able to be shut off so you can put them off while you're sleeping. And it folds down so nice and small for travel. I literally can't wait to travel with this. It's going to be a game changer.
So make all those pesky wires optional and get this charging pad from InfinaCore. You are not gonna regret it, and that's my point of view.